Before there was Mia Hamm. Before there was Marta. Before there was Khadija Bunnyshaw. There was Beverly Ranger. Considered not just a pioneer of women's football success in Jamaica, but around the world. So who was Beverly Ranger? Ranger was born in the Jamaican capital, Kingston, in 1953. She moved to London with her parents when she was 12 years old, where she began playing football in a park near Wembley Stadium. A journalist spotted Ranger playing and encouraged her to join Watford FC. She later featured for Amersham Town FC. In 1974, Ranger made the move to Germany, where she eventually played for Bonner SC in 1975. Not only did Ranger win the league title with Bonner SC, but she also scored ARD's Goal of the Month for a brilliant individual effort. A clip of the goal shows Ranger gliding around 5 opposing players before getting past the goalkeeper and slotting the ball into the back of the net. She became only the second woman to win ARD's Goal of the Month award. Ranger was credited with boosting the popularity of women's football in Germany and even earned a sponsorship deal with Puma at the height of her playing career, the only woman to have such an honor at the time. She was reportedly one of the first female footballers to earn her living from the sport. So, how good was she? A German newspaper reported that Ranger was a player who made you question whether the ball was glued to her feet, a fantastic player, a player who has somehow criminally gone under the radar. Magic, just pure magic. So where is Beverly Ranger today? Ranger moved to the United States in 1989, where she began working as a teacher in North Carolina. Her football achievements were recently celebrated in a program entitled 50 Years of Goal of the Month in Germany. Ranger was a true trailblazer in women's football in a period where it was very difficult for women to be given attention in the sport. So has she held firm to her Jamaican roots? Listen to what she said in this interview when asked who she was supporting in the last FIFA Women's World Cup.
When talking about the current World Cup, a thumb went up before I could even ask who she is rooting for.
It has to be Jamaica. I'm rooting all 110% for Jamaica. Not because it's my heritage, but we're a very small island. And for those young ladies to have accomplished back-to-back qualifying for the World Cup, that is a great accomplishment.
Ranger says when the team won its first World Cup match versus Panama,
I jumped and I screamed.
Jamaicans everywhere salute you, Beverly Ranger. Big up. You have demonstrated the trueness of the phrase, we lickle, but we talawa. Well done.